Hey friends, Running Kimono here. So today's video is going to be a little different. We're going to go through the 5 off of 25. There is no gain video this week. I know that a lot of you just don't have the digital coupons, or it's just one of these weeks where we're kind of in between things, and it's very easy to say, oh, go use all these paper coupons, but if you don't have the insert coupons, you're kind of like at a loss. So we're going to look at some gain stuff with this, which is the 5 off of 25. Couple ground rules for this guy. You got to get to $25 before a single coupon is applied. Use the Dollar General app in the store to scan barcodes to make sure you're on the same page of music, to make sure that the prices are ringing up for the cost and that the digital coupons are in fact attaching. Bring a pad of paper and pen, even though the purse is very tiny of 25 bucks. Sometimes, you're wearing a mask, running around, being sassy. You can really lose sight of something, and if you are as much as one penny below the $25 mark, it's not going to work. So sometimes being old-fashioned and bringing a pad of paper and pen is a smart thing to do. Pay attention at checkout. Any issues you might have, just do a simple void. They allow that over at the Dollar General, and these are Michigan prices, so if you are in a different part of the US, just keep that in mind. And for a lot of you who don't really know how to navigate your Dollar General app, I'm going to link a video at the very end. And this is an absolute and total game changer because my Dollar General game was like bad. It wasn't very good because sometimes I forget things or, absent-minded. This app, the way that you could scan stuff in the store and to see if like the coupons are attaching, etc., it's a night and day changer to cut out the guesswork. So please check out this video if you haven't already, especially if you're new to this. This can make a huge difference between you having success or things just like, just ending in a big ball of flames and you crying all the way to the car. So please check out this video. Lots of fantastic information in it. Okay, so a lot of you have been asking about Pumpkin, our little cat. Like, what's he been doing? Where is he? Is he home? He is not home right now. He ran away again. I took this photo before he ran away, and as you can see, he is trouble. So my understanding is that he's over the pandemic and staying home all the time. So he really wanted a lobster sandwich. So I think he went to New England. He texted this photo to my husband. And we're thinking he might be in the Boston area or somewhere that they make these delicious lobster sandwiches. Again, we're kind of at a loss here. We just get these weird messages. But apparently he got a job on a fishing boat, and one of his first jobs was to take down this big shark. And I guess he won that. So don't tangle with him if you see him. He looks like a very lovable cat, but he also has a bad side. And that's clearly my cat attacking this shark. And I can tell from the cigarette. So he's been really busy. If you are from New England, let me know in the comments. And if you've seen him, I would also appreciate that. So hopefully he comes home in the next month or two, but we keep getting these weird texts. And yeah, that's what Pumpkin's been up to. Okay, guys, so deal number 1 is 100% digital. All the deals we're doing today is 100% digital. You need your cornerstone, which is the 5 off of 25. Please make sure you have that guy loaded to your store card, and these deals are for Saturday only as well. We're going to be grabbing 2 of these, which are the big, massive 24-pack, which is 48 rolls of COTTONELLE. It is $12.50, so we're going to be grabbing 2 of them. Now, there's a little bit to this because it might be harder to track this one down, but if you can do this deal, like, why not? You have nothing to lose. And we have a very wonderful 5 off of 2 coupon that's affixing to these larger packages. As you can see, it's at the bottom. And this is what the coupon is. So, I mean, it would be really lovely if you could track down 2 of those if you want to do this deal and scan it in the store. And we also have $3 of instant savings when we buy 15. So we're at that $25 mark, but we've dropped now. We're going to grab this razor to get us back to the $25 mark. So grab whichever disposable Bic razor you want for $3. We have this wonderful $2 manufacturer that's attaching to it. So pretty simple. Let's just look at the math one more time. We're going to be grabbing 2 massive packages of the COTTONELLE for $25 on the nose. Remember, we have a 3 off of 15 instant savings. So the new subtotal there is 22 bucks. And then we're going to also toss in 1 Bic razor for $3. So your new total is 25. After that last razor is scanned in, punch in your phone number. The 5 off of $25 Dollar General Saturday coupons coming off, along with $7 of digitals. We have the 5 off of 2 for the COTTONELLE, plus the $2 for the Bic. How fancy is that? You're left with paying $13 out of pocket plus your tax. Don't forget to photograph this receipt to the Fetch Rewards app because it's part of their gallery Cottonelle, so you'll get some extra points for that. But if you just look at the math here, $13 for 2 of those massive packages of Cottonelle, it's like $6.50 for each. This is just a fantastic deal. Any way that you slice it or dice it, I think it's just fantastic. And I mean, if I can track this down, this is a deal I will be doing on Saturday. Okay, so deal number 2 is going to involve some gain. Remember, this is 100% digital. You need your 5 off of 25 for the Saturday. And remember, all digital coupons are also of a one-time use. So we're going to be grabbing 2 things off of this bingo sheet. So 1 detergent and 1 fabric enhancer, whichever one your choice. Remember, when you're in the store, scan it to make sure that the digitals are attaching. We have the $2 for the fabric, this guy, and then the $2 for the detergent, this guy. And these are the bigger ones. They are not the itty bitty ones. They're the ones that are $6.95 a pop. We're also going to be grabbing one of these razors for $3, whichever one you want, the men's, the ladies, whichever one. And then to get the math to balance, we're going to grab 2 of the $3 Palmolives. The Ajax is a little bit cheaper, but it's all your choice. But to get the math to balance for this one, we're going to stick with the Palmolive, and that's a massive container. And we're going to have this BOGO free loaded along with the $2 for the razor. And then we're going to grab one of these Febreze car clips for $3 on the nose. And then the final coupon that we need loaded is the $1 off for the Febreze car clip. Okay, guys, so for this basket, we have 1 Gain fabric product or fabric enhancer for $6.95. 1 of the Gain detergents for $6.95, a 1 Bic razor for $3, 2 of the Palmolives for $6, and if you opt to go with the Ajax, it's 50 cents shaved off the balance, which won't make a difference, but I would rather get the Palmolives. It's a better dish detergent. That's my humble opinion. And then 1 of the Febreze car clips for $3. Adding all of that merch up together, that's $25.90, 50 cents less if you get the other dish detergent, not the Palmolive. After the card clip is scanned, you punch in your phone number. The 5 off of 25 is coming off, along with $10 of digital manufacturers that I showed you in the slides previous. You're left with paying $10.90 for the 6 items, essentially shaking out each item to $1.81 per product. That is not a bad little deal, especially for those big Gain products. Okay, so the final deal that we have, we need our cornerstone, which is the 5 off of 25. Please make sure you have that guy loaded to your store card. So for this deal, we're going to be working in concert with this, and this is still taking place, I think, till the end of the week, which is spending $15 on selected P&G products, get back a $5 receipt coupon. So after you pay your total, the coupon will actually print on the bottom of the cash register or the receipt. So that's where you're going to find it, and you can use it immediately after that. So this is kind of weird, but I put this deal together earlier in the week in this notepad I have, and then I noticed online this young lady, Keto Farm Girl Deals, she had the exact same one on her Instagram, so shout out to her. Great minds think alike. The first item that we're going to be grabbing is one of these massive boxes of the Love's diapers for $19.95. And then we have a wonderful $3 coupon that's attaching to that specific product. And then we're grabbing 2 of the Old Spice body washes for $4.50 a pop. And then there's a very generous coupon that showed up a couple weeks back, which is this one, which is $4.95 either off the dry sprays or body wash. So there you have that. Looking at the math again, guys, one of the Love's diaper boxes is $19.95, and then 2 of the Old Spice body washes at $4.50 a pop is $9 on the nose. So the total for that is $28.95. After that last Old Spice is scanned, you punch in your phone number right away. 5 off of $25 General Saturday coupons coming off, along with $8.49 of digital manufacturers. You're left with paying $15.46 out of pocket, and you have to pay a balance of $15 to get that coupon to print on your cash register receipt. So you're going to get a $5.01 on your next order. So it basically shakes us out to $10.46 for the 3 or $3.48 per product. Now, I would go right back into the store after you get that thing to print, and I would grab some toilet paper for $5. It has to be 501, so you need to grab something else really cheap, or like toilet paper that's 5.99. But just grab something. Obviously, I'm saying paper because we're in a time to really restock this stuff, after everything we went through last spring. But that's personally what I would do. I would, if I was going to do the diaper deal, I would go back and buy some paper with it and use it right away, because I tend to like just misplace things all the time. So I'd like to spend these right away. As always, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.